get an opportunity cases like this, where we have seen women who have become entrepreneurs from this kind of a setup. Now this encouraged me, and I feel that this is what we have to replicate across the country. Because once a mother has become financially independent, she has started going out, she has realized the importance of entrepreneurship and how she has made the entire families the way of thinking. Because when I was in GIZ, we have done a lot to have education of women. But within one stroke, I have seen how this education, the thought of education has changed because of this little bit of financial independence. So that is something which, I mean, at least has encouraged me, and I want to take this up through IVA also. And of course, since waste management and recycling is one of the major aspects which I have looked at, which can create this kind of independence very easily without much of investment. So this is a forum, and we have started also as capacity building, where with CIPET there are certain areas where these kind of capacity building is done in 2 days, 3 days training, also online trainings. So this is something which I want to really scale up across the country. One of the aspects, there are about 20,000 plus recyclers. So through them, there is a women in recycling aspect also which I've taken up. So maybe that is another. There we need is scientific aspects, because that's another area. It's not just about education, because if we need to really scale up, as professor of practice, I have now got the AIML department of Christ University to develop a program which is to look at the quality of certain products, because we had 4,000 products, and we wanted to scale it up, because unless we create that kind of scale, we can't think of exporting. So there, this kind of a program has been written. Now that has to be translated to technology. So that technology is also another thing which I'm working with CSIR institutes, so that these two things, so all these are something which each one of us, I can actually take the help and then scale things. So it's not just technology, it's not just education and income generation or entrepreneurship, net worth creation, but also by doing all this, how each woman can actually help the other woman and then create this forum. This is something which I am looking forward to by working in this forum. Thank you so much.
It was a great talk. And where are you located at the moment?
I am based out of Bangalore, but if you ask my family, they say I'm not. I come once in a while there, because I travel quite a bit. My projects are there across the country.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.